Kathy.
And I'm Annie.
And we take freeze-dried to fresh. Today we're doing a baked potato salad.
I love that.
Yeah, everything that's in a baked potato goes in here. And it's probably one of my favorites.
I'll hand you the potatoes and we'll get you to refresh those.
We're just doing a single serve. That's about good?
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Good job, Kathy. You're doing a fine job. Let's just soak those puppies. Okay. All right, well that's refreshing. I'm just gonna, this is a hard-boiled egg, and I'm just gonna cut that into little pieces. And then I'll stick it back in here.
She's a pro, not cutting her hand. I
This
would
is
not
not-
recommend this
This
for
is
minors.
this is just a little curry knife. It's harmless.
Perfect.
Okay.
We're just gonna let this refresh just a couple of minutes. Okay, we let this refresh a few minutes, so we're gonna start by adding the potatoes.
And then we'll add the egg.
Green onions.
Cheddar cheese.
Love it with the cheese. Some onion, some of our chopped onion.
Chef's choice.
Some bacon in there too.
All right, that's perfect.
And now
Doesn't that look at the color already?
So
Isn't
good.
that pretty?
Yeah. Then I'm adding some sour cream.
So what we're doing is we're halving sour cream and mayo, so it's not all, of course, mayo. So this is our potato salad, and it looks
smells
so nice. So a little bit to top, along with a few green onions. There we go.
Potato salad in minutes.
It is literally in minutes. No peeling, no washing, no chopping, no boiling.
Potatoes is a long process, so this is really fast, and hope you like it and give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and hit the notification bell so you know when we're posting a new video.
Thanks so much.
And remember, you can do this too.